How to fix Snapchat not saving snaps to memories or camera roll. If any day you're a Snapchat user and you're facing a problem that your Snapchat is not saving your various kind of snaps in the camera roll or to the various memories out there and you're quite frustrated, do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you can tap on the option of Snapchat, and after you tap on the option of Snapchat, you'll see that Snapchat will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can go to your profile like section, and after you tap on your profile like section, now what you can do is you can just scroll down and then go to the gear like settings icon. After you tap on the gear like settings icon, you can see the interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to just scroll down. After you just scroll down, now you can see all of this interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of memories. And after you tap on memories, you can see an interface like this. Here you see the option of smart backup. Now here you have to enable the smart backup in order to back up the various kind of snaps that you have clicked on the very mobile device on your Snapchat account. Likewise, you can also scroll down, and after scrolling down, you can also give the very option to save the very previous pictures on your gallery. For that, what you can do is you can see all of these options like this, and after you see all of these options like this, now you can just scroll down, and after scrolling down, what you can do is you can go to the option of the various kind of help service on your Snapchat on I need help, and after tapping on I need help, you can also send the message to the developer if your problem is not solved that way. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the option of clear the cache and then clear it by tapping on continue and then update your application, and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.